to stop for one moment. That it's too soon to fall. Just to flick your pack over the porch or break a pound down. Get the strap if it happened before and make surround sounds. Pussycat on my lap, push it back and go to town down. Putting the rap on my back, and I'm back in snatching crowns. I done came back around like a nigga selling crack and pound. I got a bag now, but it's nothing to brag about. Gun blast in the background. I'm a black man with the bloodhounds. Mac 10 making love sounds to a bad chick. She from uptown. I'm from down south. Not a loudmouth. We can fuck around. Whoa! Hit the music, baby, cut it down. Whoa! Hit a doobie while you do me indubitably. I feel like I'm a buzz now. Whoa! I feel like a buzz down when I shine bright. Blind niggas is up now. Shit in the cut, big black truck, black sadded up. You can pick it up now, nigga, fuck it, okay. Push the fucking pack off of the porch and break them how down. Get the strap if it happened to blow and next around sounds. Pussycat on my lap, push the back and go to town down. Putting rap on my back, and I'm back in snatching crowns. I know I can't afford to stop for one moment. That is too soon, too far. Me and my money attach emotionally. I get to clutching if you get too close to me. I'm at the top where I'm supposed to be. Jump in the game, niggas act like they coaching me. 400 racks ain't shit but a show to me. I'm on the road and I bet that you're home with me. When I'm in traffic, it's always a pole. Pillsbury, man, I keep dough with me. Hit from the back, she giving me slurp, and I ain't even put my pants down. Jump in the box and slide to the other side. It's always a man down, draw down, hands in the air, nigga, make one move, get gunned down. Giving out smoke so long